Namaste. I, Jayant Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic physicochemical physicochemical properties of the sustained release formulation and controlled release formulation. So, uh, this is the part of the sustained release and controlled release delivery system. So now we come to the physicochemical properties. Aqueous solubility, first one is aqueous solubility, and second one is partition coefficient, and third one is drug stability, and fourth one is protein binding, and last one is molecular size and diffusivity. So firstly we will discuss aqueous solubility. It is an important consideration uh, in its biological performance as a sustained drug release formulation. Aqueous solubility of a drug exerts its control on the absorption process in two ways. These two ways is very important for the aqueous solubility of drug. So first one is the by influence on the dissolution rate of a compound which establish the drug concentration in solution and the driving force for tissue formation. So next one is the by its effect on the ability of the drug to penetrate tissue, which is determined in part by its solubility in the tissue. So third one is partition coefficient. Between the time that a drug is administered and the time it is eliminated from the body, it diffuses through a variety of biological membranes that act primarily as lipid-like barrier. The major criteria in evolution of the ability of a drug to penetrate these lipid membranes is it apparent oil water partition coefficient defined as K is equal to CO upon CW, where the CO equilibrium concentration of all form of drug and CW equilibrium concentration of all form of drug in an aqueous phase. So now we come to the drug stability. In oral dosage forms, loss of drug through acid hydrolysis or metabolism in GI. A drug in solid state undergoes degradation at much slower rate than drug in suspension and solution. The drugs with low aqueous solubility have low dissolution rate and usually suffer oral bioavailability problems, and aqueous solubility of weak acid and basic is governed by pKa value and pH of the medium. So the molecular size and diffusivity, ability of drug to diffuse through membrane is called as diffusivity, is a function of molecular size in most of polymers. It's possible to log D empirically to some functions of molecular size as log D is equal to Sp log D plus Kd is equal to Sm log M plus K, where V is equal to molecular volume and M is equal to molecular weight and Sp, Sm, Kd, Km are constant. Value of D is related to size and shape of drugs. Size and shape of drugs. Now we come to the protein binding. Distribution of drug into extra space is governed by dissociation of drug from protein. The drug-protein complex acts as reservoir in the vascular space for sustained drug release to extravascular tissue for drugs exhibition, high degree protein binding, and some drugs shows high degree protein binding, X diazepam shows greater than 95% protein binding. So the biological properties, now we come to the biological properties: absorption, distribution, metabolism, elimination, and biological half-life, and side effect and safety consideration. So firstly, we come to the absorption. Rate, extent, and uniformity of absorption are the important factors when considering sustained release. So since the rate limiting step in drug delivery from a sustained release is its release from doses form rather than absorption, a rapid release is essential if the system is successful. So the volume of distribution obeys only one compartment model. V is equal to dose upon U, where C is equal to plasma drug concentration. Now we come to the apparent volume of distribution is merely a proportionality constant that relates the drug concentration in blood or plasma to the total amount of drug in the body. So this is the complete session of the physicochemical and biological properties of sustained release formulation. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.